Christmas.
Hello everybody, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home, welcome to my kitchen. Today is going to be the 5th day of the holiday cookies and desserts. Please take a look. We're making something super simple, super delicious, but it's a must on our tables during the holidays. We're going to make a little delicious Italian lemon cookie. So let's get started with the ingredients. Super easy and it's really quick. We have 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 6 eggs, a cup of sugar, 2 sticks of butter, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I have 6 teaspoons of baking powder and just a teaspoon of lemon extract, and I'll tell you why just in 1 second. And I have 4 cups of confectioners sugar, 10 times fine. Very easy to find in those supermarkets. But it's lemon cookie, right? So come with me. I'm going to show you where we're going to get the lemon today. Here's my lemon tree. We just took it inside because we've had frost already. And there's 2 beautiful lemons ready to be picked. So here you are. Take a look. To go ahead. So here, you're my witness. Look at this. Look at this. Wait, let me scrape it. Oh, divine, absolutely divine. Let's go get the cookies ready. Paddle attachment, we're gonna add the 2 sticks of butter and the sugar, and we'll get that creamed. The butter and sugar is really nice and light and fluffy. Now let's add the eggs. One at a time, let it incorporate. Slowly, I'm going to add the flour. Right, and that's all in. It's a soft, sticky dough. I want you to see it. This is exactly what it needs to look like. See that? It's a sticky, soft dough. So the next step is to clean up the paddle and let it sit in the fridge for a good 30 minutes. Oven on 350. Let's get the cookies on the sheet. I like to use a small ice cream scooper. It really does help, and the cookies will all be the same size, so that'll be another nice thing. Okay, 350. Let's put them in and we'll time it. I love the winter months because I use my outdoor as a cooling place. It's nice and cold outside, so I'm gonna put them on a cooling rack and move them outdoors so they'll cool down quickly and we will be able to glaze them. The dough made 48 cookies exactly. Here are my 4 cups of powdered sugar. Now, I don't have an exact measurement for the glaze, but I'll show you and you'll have a feeling. Now, the first thing I'm going to do, look at that beautiful lemon. Okay, I'm going to juice the lemon and use that to make. There's a 1/4 cup of juice and I'm going to start mixing. So you're just going to add the lemon juice and just stir. And I'll show you the right consistency that it needs to be, and we'll know if you need to add more juice or it will be enough. I'm adding more juice. The 1/4 cup wasn't enough. Okay, even I juiced the whole lemon and it's still not enough liquid. So I'm going to add some water now. Because you want it to be a thin consistency so you're able to glaze the cookies. And you definitely want to do it a little bit at a time. You don't want to drop everything all at once. See, like that. Just keep stirring. Now another, if you look closely, there's little vanilla specks in my sugar. And the reason that is because when I use my vanilla pod and I scrape the seeds out, I don't throw that pod out. What I do is I just add it into my sugar bowl, which is right here. So what I do is I just, let me see if I could pick it out. Oh yeah, here it is. Okay, so here is the little vanilla pod. I just add it in there so that the sugar is so wonderfully vanilla flavored. And you can't go wrong. Okay, now come closer, I want to show you. You see already how different it looks and how fabulous it looks? Just keep stirring. You don't want any sugar balls inside. Want to make sure it's a smooth consistency. You can even use a whisk if you like. Time to dip the cookie. Just grab the cookie and just the top, let it drip. And let's get the cookie. You just grab the cookie and you just to the very top. You want to let it drip off a little bit, okay? And here you go. On to the next one. Again, just dip the top, give it a swirl, and shake off the excess. Another thing I like to do also is to add your sprinkle while the glaze is wet. Otherwise, later it's just gonna bounce off and it's not gonna stick to the cookies. So since it's Christmas time, I'm going to be using beautiful Christmas sprinkles. Take a look. Wow, ecco fatto. Bellissimo. Perfetto. There you go. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna continue on. I might eat one or two and meet you back as soon as I'm done. The last cookie. Look, I just want to show you the 4 cups of sugar were just perfect because we have very little left. If you have the extra and you kind of see spots that you want to cover a little bit more, just go ahead and drizzle it on top. And the excess is just going to fall off. There you go. Here they are, the final product. They look fabulous and they're delicious. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Hit the bell button to be notified. Happy holidays to all. Be safe, be happy, stay well. Arrivederci, alla prossima. Ciao, ciao.